Hey, what is up guys, back again with another video. बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. But today we're gonna talk about why I'm making a new video and a lot of new stuff because we have officially done more than 1 month in IIT Jodhpur School of Management and Entrepreneurship. And बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कहने के लिए. You can understand right? अगर मैं 1 महीने से कुछ अपलोड नहीं कर रहा था तो of course चीज़ें तो बहुत हुई होंगी and हुई भी है. So I'm gonna tell you. But first of all, somebody commented 2 days ago कि भैया miss you something like that, right? So cute bhai, so sweet. Thank you very much. I miss you all and you too bro. Thank you so much really. And other than that, ये videos क्यों बना रहे हैं? क्योंकि यार I need it right now. So many things are happening and legit so many things are happening कि I am not getting time to think about my life. मुझे यही नहीं पता भाई. I have no time to introspect. So I think somewhere it will be helpful अगर if I can sit down and 10 minutes, even if it is talking to the camera, but still it is good कि थोड़ा सा मैं ना चीज़ों को बाहर ला पाऊँ. क्योंकि दिन में so that is the thing. I try to maintain a diary about the things, है ना, दिन में क्या हुआ ये वो. It's a simple thing. ऐसा कुछ मैं बहुत खास लिखता नहीं हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशंस डालता नहीं हूँ. But still I just write a diary because a lot of things happen and you forget. This life is so fast. MBA is so freaking fast कि एक दिन के अंदर it feels like you are living 3 to 4 days. चलो maybe not 3 to 4 but at least 2 to 3. And one day never feels like one day. You have so much of work. तुम रात को भी जाग रहे हो, तुम दिन में भी जाग रहे हो, तुम शायद लेक्चर में ही सिर्फ सो रहे हो. And it messes you up. It messes up your understanding power, at least mine. I mean I don't want to say it like that, but हाँ थोड़ा सा cope up करना difficult ही हो जाता है यार. Yeah, now first of all, you guys want to see where I'm walking? Look at this. These are the berms. It's called berms, है ना. और ये सारे के सारे जो हैं एक अलग अलग these are like rooms and इसमें के सारे clubs भी चलते हैं and stuff like that. काफ़ी अच्छी सी place है ये, beautiful सा रहता है. And it's like a wall kind of feeling देता है. वैसे तो अंदर की तरफ कैंपस है, बाहर की तरफ बॉम्ब्स है and it's nice. Yeah, so back to where we were, है ना. I have some few updates for you and good updates for you कि जैसे तुम कॉलेज में आते हो क्या हाल होता है क्लब्स एंड कमिटीज़, राइट. एंड पीपल आर लाइक कि भाई इसमें अप्लाई कर दो, उसमें अप्लाई कर दो. द फर्स्ट वन दैट केम एक्चुअली वाज द प्लेसमेंट कमिटी एंड आई वाज लाइक यू आर इन अ MBA कॉलेज, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन ट्राई फॉर प्लेसमेंट कमिटी. क्योंकि हर कोई ने यही बोला था, एवरीबडी थिंक्स अबाउट दैट कि प्लेसमेंट कमिटी में जाओ. तो या द ईमेल केम, वी वर लाइक अप्लाई एंड आफ्टर अ वेरी रिगरस प्रोसेस में पूरा का पूरा नहीं समझाने वाला हूँ फिलहाल. But after a long rigorous process, your brother has been selected as the joint secretary of Junior Placement Committee in SME IIT Jodhpur. Claps. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm happy about it. It's a good responsibility. It's a big responsibility, है ना. And I would also like to say कि it is not easy. The amount of time that this thing takes is a lot and maybe बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी रहता है, बहुत कुछ है जो तुमको करने को मिलता है, बट बहुत सारा डेटा रहता है सेंसिटिव सा जो तुम्हारे पास रहता है, बाकी लोगों के पास नहीं रहेगा. बट देन एट द सेम टाइम यू नीड टू हैव इंटीग्रिटी एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स लाइक दैट, राइट. तो वो भी है. बट प्लेसमेंट कमिटी, दैट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स दैट हैपेंड इन this 1 month से ज़्यादा वाला period, 45 days, right? Yeah, and I mean it in itself is a big thing, but other than that, the second thing is I have joined Sangam, which is a music club, है ना. So that unfortunately I do not get time to go there for now, but I'm in a music committee. It feels good, it's nice. मतलब उसमें क्या रहता, ये बॉम्ब्स के अंदर ही उसमें 2-3 रूम्स हैं उनके, एंड यू गाइस कैन गो देयर, यू गाइस कैन प्ले द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, यू गाइस कैन चिल, जैम, लॉट ऑफ अदर स्टफ. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है इनफैक्ट. हेयर कट वेयर कट के लिए भी है यहाँ पे सब कुछ, बट देर आर डेफिनेटली. Yeah guys, so that is a little bit of update about me. ठीक है, now I'm gonna talk about थोड़ा सा academics कि कैसा है SME IT जोधपुर का academics. So yeah, on paper, so now look, a lot of MBA colleges, like इसके पहले हम लोग निर्मा में थे, right? निर्मा had trimester system, एक साल के अंदर 3 वो होंगे terms. Now here it is not a trimester system, it is a semester system. तो एक साल में you will have 2 semesters. Yeah, right. And somewhere it is a little light in that way क्योंकि but it's a blessing since I'm in the placecom, तो genuinely time नहीं मिलता, कुछ भी करने का time नहीं मिलता, right? And if you get some time to sit and study beforehand, that is awesome. And yeah, definitely life is very fast here, but I think maybe निर्मा की life और fast हो जाती अगर मैं वहाँ पे ज़्यादा रहता तो. And maybe वहाँ पे मैं कोई committee join ना करता, so that would be a different thing. But yeah, here semester system good. You get time to study as a normal person. You get time to study and you can study, and definitely you can give yourself more time, है ना? अपने जो भी तुम्हें courses करने हैं, live projects करने हैं, a lot of things, you get time for that. Other than that, what can I talk to you about? I can talk to you about a lot of stuff, but I don't want to reveal and talk about everything today itself, क्योंकि अभी भी मुझे जाना है रूम पे and I need to study because आ रही है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, minor exams. So minors are starting from 17th. Today is what? Let me see. Today is 13th. Interesting. So 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 4 days and that is all we have to study because अभी तक कुछ study नहीं हो पाया है. So yeah, we're gonna study everything. We're gonna learn, and we also have a lot of other things going on back in the hand. And I don't know, man. I don't know what else. Cycle चलाते रहते हैं पूरे दिन. Everywhere it's cycles. And there's a cycle repairing shop. Just cycle repairing shop guy earns a lot, I think. क्योंकि एक तो since he's the only cycle repairing guy here, he charges whatever. कुछ भी होता है, he's like, ये change करना पड़ेगा. My new cycle, the new cycle that I bought, some issues with it, right? He's like, अरे इसका bearing change करना पड़ेगा. Like bro, कुछ replace करने की जगह उसको repair करने का भी try करो, है ना? Exactly. So that's that basically. Yeah, I didn't give him that money by the way. वो बस खुद ही ठीक हो गया. For now तो अभी ठीक हो गया तो I don't need to give him 150 rupees. Not like 150 rupees is that big of an amount, but it is अगर तुमने साइकिल अभी खरीदी है 1 महीने पहले. And these cycles keep on breaking, man. साइकिल में हवा ही नहीं रह रही है भाई. कुछ भी करो तुम रोज पंप से हवा भर रहे हो, रोज शाम तक हवा है ख़त्म हो रही है उसके अंदर. Cycles didn't used to be like this. Cycles were very nice when we were young. मतलब really यार, cycles used to be so much fun. तुम 3 लोग, मतलब तुम टोटल 3 लोग बैठे हो साइकिल के ऊपर and still the cycle would take the weight and be nice. And यहाँ पर तुम एक इंसान को बैठा दो, हवा निकल रही है साइकिल की. What is going on? What is this life? ठीक है, but हंसी मजाक की बातें होती रहेंगी. For now, I've taken a good 9 minute of walk, and from now on, again every day I'm just gonna upload my days and what I do, kind of like my digital diary, and nothing but love for you guys. You guys have been awesome. You guys have supported me so much, and in a lot of places I think my YouTube has helped me out to make a name for myself, या फिर to make a distinction about me in front of other people. So I love you guys for that, and ये जो भी है यहाँ पर ये चैनल में, it's all yours. ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं तो मैं भी हूँ, but it's ours, है ना? It goes 2 ways. And thank you so much. You guys are there. I love that some of you still comment, and I love that some of you still watch the video. So thank you very much. And कल को अगर कोई नहीं देखता फिर भी, once again I'm gonna stay the same guy, keep on uploading, and have fun. Chalo, a lot of more content to come. We have more content creators in our class actually, and they make actually great vlogs. I don't know how he's getting time to edit those, because I don't get time that much. But whatever. I'm gonna see you soon. Bye bye.